Hi Rudra, do you know bird's name?
Yes, Mama. I know bird's name.
Okay, look in the book and tell me some bird's name.
Hen.
Okay.
Eagle, peacock, crow, duck, quail, cock, swan, flamingo, flamingo bird,
What is this?
woodpecker,
Okay. Show me kingfisher, parrot, eagle, robin. Okay. Tell me some more. Where is vulture?
vulture,
Okay. Where is turkey? Okay. Hummingbird, owl. Okay.
then Mama.
Okay, Rudra, say bye. Let's learn birds' name with facts. Pigeon. Pigeons are herbivorous. Their diet consists of seeds, fruits, and various plants. Pigeons can move their wing 10 times per second. Pigeons are highly intelligent. They are able to recognize themselves in the mirror. Pigeons have exceptional eyesight and ability to identify objects on a distance of 26 miles. Pigeons are social animals that live in the group. Robin. The robin was declared Britain's national bird on December 15, 1960. Robins are omnivorous, eating everything from fruit to spiders. Robins not infrequently sing at night, usually under artificial lights. They are often mistaken for nightingales. Given a choice of any food, most robins like mealworms best of all. Robin eggs are light blue. Robins build their round nest in the tree. Peacock. Only the males are actually peacocks and the females are peahens and the babies are called peachicks. Their feathers are covered in tiny crystal-like structures. The peacock is the national bird of India. Peacocks are omnivorous birds and they mainly eat plant, fruits, flower, petal, ants and other scalp in the garden and forest. Peacocks are the best fighter when it comes to fighting with snakes. Flamingo. The flamingo is the national bird of the Bahamas. Flamingos are monogamous by nature and only lay around one egg per year. It takes flamingos about 3 years to get their pink and red feathers. Flamingos is water birds. They live in and around lagoons or lakes. Flamingos are very social. They live in colonies of thousands of birds. Eagle. Eagles can fly up to 160 kilometers per hour. Eagles can work around the clock to fix their nest. Eagles are one of the biggest birds on the planet. Eagles commonly feed on fish. An eagle's eyesight is around 5 times better than the human vision. Parrot. Parrot eat with their feet. Parrots imitate sound so that they can fit in with their surroundings. Parrots can live for over 60 years. Parrots are omnivorous, which means they eat both meat and veg. They are one of the most intelligent birds. Woodpecker. Size of woodpecker depend on the species. Largest woodpecker can reach 20 inches in the length. Woodpecker have very long tongue which is designed for capturing of prey that is the hidden inside the tree. Woodpeckers are omnivorous. They eat insects, larvae, egg, tree sap, seeds and nuts. Woodpecker is able to peak 20 times per second. Woodpeckers have unique flying pattern, that is 3 wings flaps are followed with gliding. Bulbul. Bulbul are a family of birds living in Africa and the Middle East and Southern Asia. Most species of bulbul eat small fruits, but they may also feed on insects, particularly when they are raising babies. Bulbul build a cup-shaped nest in the bush or tree and lay 2 or 4 eggs. Bulbuls are common in urban areas when they inhabit parks, gardens and along creeks. The body size of bulbul ranges from 6 to 11 inch, that is 15 to 28 centimeter. Crow. Crow are extremely intelligent birds. They have the largest brain of all birds except for parrots. Crow have an excellent memory. They have been known to hide food away to save it for later. Crow are often described as fearless. They will chase eagles which can weigh 9 times more than the crow. Crow are mostly resident. This means they do not migrate and will stay near their breeding grounds. Crow can be identified by their distinctive caw-caw sound. Penguin. Penguins jump into the air before diving to swim faster. Penguins are flightless birds. Penguins eat a range of fish and other sea life that they catch underwater. Penguins evolved to fly underwater. Penguins' feet are adapted to walk long distance.